Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel, Andrew here, and I'm back today with another traffic exchange site video, and today I'm gonna cover ZaneyClicks.com. Okay, now the reason why I'm covering this, why I'm doing a video on this particular traffic exchange site is the same, are the same reasons for every video that I've done on such sites. First is the traffic they provide, and it is real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, okay? And second, that for me is very important, is the number of users they have and approximately how long they've been around as a site. Okay, now before we get into today's video, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd appreciate that, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Now let me just log in to my ZaneyClicks account, and by the way, this is 100% free to join and free to use site. Of course, there is an offer whenever you log in for the first time on your account, and the back office, the dashboard of your account is will be like this, just like this, because me too, as of now, I'm still a free member. This is the owner and the admin. So let me tell you right away, do not judge its book by its cover. Do not judge a book by its cover, right? So I know probably you're going now, oh my god, this is some old graphics, a very not beautiful display, etc. Well, that is absolutely irrelevant as long as this site does what it is supposed to do, and that is delivering traffic to your website 24/7. Okay, so that's the important thing. Never mind the colors, the display, the graphics, or whatever you don't like that you see. The important thing is what this site does. And the second reason, as I've mentioned, is the number of users. And as of now, on ZaneyClicks, we have more than 70,000 users. Okay. Now I know that I believe that not all of them are active, but even if half of them is active, then that is a good site to use. Thousands of users that will visit your website or whatever link you are promoting. So we are gonna go right very quickly through all the features, how you can earn credits, how you can advertise, and also there is a particular feature here that you don't find very often in traffic exchange sites. Okay, so let's just go to view ads. Now this is the menu for this site. All you need to navigate, to check out, is right here. Whatever you need, you can find it right here. So this is the home page where you can find some general information as everywhere else. Okay, and in the view ads page we have surf. So let's jump to the surfing page right away and see how it looks like. It is a 7 seconds surfing timer for free members, and for every page you surf, obviously you have to choose the right captcha, and for every page you surf you earn 0.5 credits. And obviously when you advertise, you will spend 1 credit per 1 visitor. Okay, so it's simple as that. And as you can see, here are the top 5 surfers for the day, and here is the chat box, Zaney chat that it's called. Alright, simple as that. This is the surfing page. So I strongly recommend that you surf at least, if you have time, always, that you surf at least 200 up to 500 pages every day. Okay, because with free traffic it takes time to see results. You can't expect to surf for a couple of days and then, oh, I didn't get any sign up or sales, it's worthless. No, it doesn't work like that. With free traffic you have to wait, to be consistent, to work every day hard. Okay, and whoever works hard will get paid, will see results. That is a fact. All right, now the other feature is surfer jet fuel. The more you surf, you will earn rewards. Also with surfer rewards, depending on how many pages you you surf per day you will earn these rewards accordingly, and if you surf up to 1,000 pages you will get $0.01 in cash as well. Okay, the other feature here are the claim daily ambers. Okay, these are all promo codes and different type of rewards that you actually basically you earn advertising goods, period. Okay, and if you have a surfing code you can enter it. All right, and team surfing, which is a feature I never use. I don't join a team because then you will be obligated to surf that many pages every day, and I mean you will have to be active every day. Okay, so I don't use that feature. Now this was the view ads feature. So basically these are the ways that you can earn advertising goods, and after you have enough credits or other advertising goods, it's time to advertise your own site. And here there are different features for advertising. And by the way, if you don't have time to surf, you can always purchase credits. All right, and you can use, as you can see, PayPal, Bitcoin, or Skrill, coin payments, or Skrill. These are the three processors. Okay. Um, the other feature for advertising is login spotlight. So the page that you saw when I logged in, sorry, it is an ad shown, displayed by a member, advertised, set up by a member. That might be your ad as well. You just have to reserve the day when you want it to be shown, and all the green days are available, and then it will be shown, but it costs sorry, $1.50. Okay, so it's not for free, and you can't use credits to purchase this type of advertising, but it's really effective because think about it, there are, like I said, more than 70,000 users. Let's say only 35,000 are active. Now imagine 35,000 users visiting your ad within a day. Okay, it's quite effective. And the other ways that you can advertise are also page view slots. It's basically the same idea, more or less, but I don't use this type of features. And the other features are the same that you can find on other traffic exchange sites alike. So sites, in other sites you can find it as website. Okay, all you have to do is enter a catchy title, your URL, and click on save. Then automatically your URL will be validated, and if it looks okay, just click on confirm my site, and that's it. Okay, now again, do not mind the graphic or the display. All right, that is absolutely irrelevant. The most relevant thing is the traffic that this site provides. So let me just assign the credits that I have already, and here, by the way, you can assign automatically how many credits you want to distribute evenly on all of your sites. Okay, so you don't have to do it one by one. And the other features for advertising obviously are banners, square banners, text ads. And social branding is a type of branding yourself within these sites or other traffic exchange sites. And I won't go through banners, square banners, since I've already mentioned these in every other video that I've done on traffic exchange site, but you get the idea. All you need is short text, banner URL, and targeted URL. The same goes for text ads, the same goes for square banners. And of course, here as well, you can create your own rotators for free. But again, I don't use these features in any of traffic exchange sites except for leadslib.com, as I've mentioned countless times. All right, now all these other menus here that you can find are basically more information, your account, contests. Keep an eye on this feature that you will find contests being updated periodically. Okay, top promoters, the most users that promote the users that promote the most this site, top members, the users that are the most active, etc., etc. And of course the logout button, the support. Now the other feature, the particular one that I was talking at the beginning of the video, you can find it here on miscellaneous, and it's not get the spot. Get the spot, I've already explained this. It's a type of ad shown in the home page of every user. Okay, you can spend credits to get your spot. Pick a block. This is another feature that will give you the chance to earn credits. So this is not for advertisement, but it's to earn credits, and you will spend I'm not gonna go through this, but you can check it out whenever you create your free account. Okay, I don't particularly use this feature. And of course there is a vote for Zaney for this site, the downline builder, which I'm not gonna go through all of that, but here you can find, this is the menu that you should check in order to find all these sites in the downline builder. And that feature that I was talking about is this one here, admin bribe. Now, these are all the sites recommended by admin that have the admin's referral link in them, and if you sign up under these sites, which means under the admin's referral link, and become the admin's referrer, you will get 1500 free credits and square banners impressions when you join any of the programs below. So this is a bribe by admin itself. Alright, so if you join this site, then you will have to send a support ticket to admin in order with your referral ID for this site, so she can verify that, and then you will earn all these credits. Unfortunately, in most of these sites I already have an account, so I can't use them, but I will see other sites. I will see if I can create an account on the other sites that I don't have. Alright, so this is basically it for this site, guys. Remember, it doesn't matter how a site looks like. What is important is the traffic they provide, the number of active users they have, and why not, for how long they've been around. That tells a lot. Okay, so guys, make sure to check the description of this video. You will find my Zaney Clicks referral link, and if you want to join and try it, click on that link. It's absolutely 100% free to join. Okay, also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you find this video helpful or if you liked it, hit that like button. I'd appreciate it. In the meantime, I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.